Natural gas prices are once again on course for their biggest gain of the year so far and would mark 3 consecutive months of upside, with the writing seeming to be on the wall. How will gas prices perform throughout June? My name is Connor, the Senior Market Analyst at the global brokerage firm Zenfinex, and I provide video analysis on various different trending markets on most trading days. And it's that time of the month where I release my monthly predictions for the most spoken about markets at the moment. And I'm starting with natural gas prices, as they seem to be heading in just one direction right now. Okay, so as always with natural gas fundamental outlooks, I like to analyse the demand and the supply prospects, which is what we're going to do today. And demand prospects remain high, to put it bluntly. And in fact, it's been reported that there is unseasonably high electricity demand in the US at the moment. And as for international demand, that's not going anywhere too. So I'm trying to find clear evidence that demand prospects are falling in my research, and I haven't been able to do that. CNBC reported last week that although prices have already doubled since the start of the year, another 25% price increase could be on the way if the summer turns out to be hotter than normal over in the US, which at the moment it's predicted to do so. So this is where we sort of look to supply outlooks, and we want to see really evidence that supply is increasing quick enough to cover the rise in demand. And analysts are simply saying no, this isn't happening due to the conflict in Ukraine. European countries are particularly thirsty for more gas supplies. The US does enjoy a stable supply of natural gas, that there is no doubt. However, concentration of production seems to be in fewer fields than ever before, which is something that's not been mentioned by a lot of analysts. And 2 of the shales, which account for 40% of the natural gas supply, have been said that they can't grow forever, and there's going to be a time where these start becoming sort of at maximum capacity as well. So the hunt for other solutions does go on, with the latest news coming out that Asian and European gas buyers are looking to more longer term contracts to offset the current volatility in prices at the moment. Let's see if that can work out throughout the next month or so. But just like I was last month, and our targets were hit last month as well, June is likely to be another bullish month for natural gas prices when looking at the outlook from today's point of view. Of course, other solutions can be found throughout the month, and that's why I always provide an update constantly in the Discord channel, and the links in the comments for the free Discord channel for free market updates as well. But prices to me look set to break out above that $10 level, and let's see if we can try and find an entry on the chart. Okay, so let's try and paint the picture for natural gas prices, where we think we could be heading throughout the month of June. Targets for June, and sort of the picture at the moment. And as you can see, I'm on the daily chart now, daily chart up here, and you can see that we are creating this series of higher highs, higher lows, which indicates from a basic point of view a bullish market. So that's how we're going to treat it today, and unless we see something different, I'll be looking for buying opportunities on the chart. So we're at quite a critical level at the moment, and I wanted to mark sort of this range that we have. Where's my drawings? There they are. I wanted to mark this range that we had at the moment down here first of all, and also we have the high that we have right now. So this is sort of the current range we have in the market at the moment, and I'm really looking, to put it simply, for the market to break above this this high here. So I'm not really in a level right now where I'd like to trade, because I'm not a breakout and retest trader. If you are, you can wait for a breakout here and you can buy from this 9 level. But for me, there's something a bit more clear. So you can see that we failed to break below this low here. So for me, unless we get a break below this 6.4 level, this market is still bullish, and I'll be looking for any buying opportunities. Maybe we're going to get a dip below this level here, but anyway, unless we get a break below here, that's when we'll be looking for sales. I can't see that happening, to be honest, unless we see other solutions being made. But what I would like to see is, first of all, my take profit is above the 10 level. So any trade I put in, I want to see a new high formed in June for natural gas prices. Where can we get this trade opportunity from? Well, here's something I like to see. I'm looking throughout the market here, and I can see that we're sort of balanced. We're fairly balanced throughout this whole daily chart. but you can see that since the recent bull run we had on the 23rd of May, so the beginning of this week, we've left this behind this market gap and this price inefficiency. So I'd like to see something like this. Prices fall from the level they are right now, or even if they do break above, they can break above. They fall down into around the 50% of this imbalance area, which is an area I like to use, and then we can go moving up towards the take profit level of 10.2. Now, for the more aggressive trader, you can put an entry in, and now my stop loss really, I want to put my stop loss just below this low here. If we do get a break below this low, I think we may go looking towards this gap area, which could happen. But if that does happen, then I'll be looking for lower time frame breaks of structure to trade above here. So my trade for June is the 8.4 level with a stop loss down at 7.9 and targeting this new high around 10, which is around a 3 risk reward trade, which is a really nice risk reward trade. That's if you wanted to go from the daily time frame, a fairly safe trade. Alternatively, in this area we have here, we can go onto something like the 1 hour chart and we can try and see if there's something a bit clearer. So what maybe we'd like to see, or even maybe on the 15-minute, is if once we get down into this 15-minute level and into this daily 50% level, I want to see something that looks a little bit like this, and then we can go looking. Because if we get a reaction from this 50% level, that will give me confidence that the market is looking to go higher. We'll probably leave behind some sort of order block around this level when we break structure. Then we can enter from something like this with a stop loss just below, and then we're going to have a much better risk reward trade. You can already see if it was something like that, the risk reward would be much higher, and we could even maybe target something like 9.5 and be a bit safer. So that's my view for natural gas prices. I want to know what you think. Drop in your comments on the comment section. What are your targets for the month of June? Are you looking towards a 10 level? Are you looking for maybe a dip in natural gas prices for whatever reason? I'd be interested to hear your reasoning, but this is what I see and how I'm going to be trading the price in June. Free Discord channel in the comments. I'll provide updates if I do get in on this market. Hopefully I do. Hopefully it doesn't just go off without me, but it is very bullish, so we could get a situation like that. But I'll provide updates in that channel, so feel free to join, and also continue to like and subscribe to the channel. It's that time of the month where we provide these monthly forecasts for you, and I do hope that they're providing great value to you. Other than that, I hope I'll catch you all for the next forecast video, which I think is going to be on the gold market, which is going to be out tomorrow, so enjoy.